today we got a new Yeedi! Yeedi is here!
We've now tested several robot vacuums from Yeedi, and every one of them has impressed us in different ways. So we were really excited to get our hands on the new Yeedi M12 Max Plus. This is one of those robot vacuums that seems designed to do a little bit of everything, combining ultra-powerful suction, advanced AI mopping, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and a fully automated Omni station into a system that's meant to make cleaning feel almost completely hands-free. And after putting it to the test with pet hair, wet spills, carpets, and everyday messes around the house, there were a few features that genuinely stood out and made this one feel like a noticeable step up. The first thing you notice is the suction power. The Yeedi M12 Max Plus has up to 25,000 pascals of suction, and in real-world use, it genuinely performs like a high-powered cleaning machine. We tested it with cereal, crumbs, dust, and even cat litter on both hard floors and carpet, and it picked up almost everything in a single pass. What impressed me the most was how it cleaned carpet. A lot of robot vacuums can handle surface debris, but once dirt gets down into the carpet fibers, they start struggling. This one actually pulled hidden dust and debris out really well. If you have pets, kids, or just a busy household, that level of suction makes a huge difference because you don't feel like you have to constantly rerun the robot just to get a good clean. And while the vacuuming performance is excellent, the mopping system is honestly what surprised me the most. The M12 Max Plus uses Yeedi's Osmo Turbo 2.0 system with AI adaptive mopping, which means it adjusts its cleaning strategy depending on the mess it detects. We tested it with coffee spills, sauce, and other sticky messes, and it handled them way better than expected. You can tell the robot changes how it cleans depending on what it's dealing with. That's one of the biggest differences between premium mopping systems and more basic ones. It's not just dragging around a wet cloth, it actually feels intelligent. But it's the Omni station that is what makes the whole experience feel almost fully automated. The station automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mops with 167-degree hot water, dries them with 113-degree hot air, refills the robot's water tank, adds cleaning solution automatically, and even supports auto refill and drain functionality. In other words, there's very little manual maintenance involved. Honestly, this is the kind of feature that changes how often people actually use their robot vacuums because it removes so much of the annoying upkeep. And one thing I really appreciated is how dry and clean the mop pads were afterwards. They didn't feel damp or dirty at all, which makes the whole system feel much more sanitary. Another feature that a lot of people are going to love is the Zero Tangle 3.0 system. If you've owned robot vacuums before, you already know how annoying it is to constantly cut hair out of the brush roll. But this system is specifically designed to prevent hair wrap, and honestly, it works really well. After vacuuming long hair and pet fur, the brush still looked almost completely clean. If you have pets or long hair in your house, this alone can save you a ton of time and frustration. The carpet handling is also really smart. The robot automatically detects carpets and lifts the mop pads when moving from hard floors onto carpet, so your carpets stay dry while the vacuum keeps strong suction performance. And the best part is that it all happens automatically. You don't have to create complicated no mop zones or manually switch modes. It just figures it out on its own, which makes the whole experience feel seamless. Navigation is another area where the M12 Max Plus performed really well. It uses AIVI 3D 3.0 obstacle avoidance, and unlike some robot vacuums that still randomly bump into everything, this one actually feels smart. We placed cables, shoes, and furniture around the room, and it consistently avoided obstacles without getting stuck. It also cleaned really well along edges and corners, which is something a lot of robot vacuums still struggle with. And finally, the ultra-thin 81mm design ended up being much more useful than expected. This robot can slide under couches, beds, and furniture that larger robot vacuums usually can't reach. So having a robot that can actually access those spaces without needing to move furniture around is a huge advantage. Overall, the Yeedi M12 Max Plus feels like a robot vacuum built to make cleaning as effortless as possible. Between the extremely powerful suction, advanced mopping system, self-cleaning Omni station, zero tangle brushes, and intelligent navigation, it delivers a very polished, hands-free experience. And honestly, that's the biggest takeaway here. This isn't just a robot vacuum that cleans well, it's a robot vacuum that removes a lot of the work and maintenance that usually comes along with owning one. Don't miss out. Go check it out now.